What's going on, YouTube, man? We got a new sunny day today, y'all, and we got to get a lot of stuff done, man. It's dark, but we got to get these lights on. Today, we got to get some stuff cleaned up and done. There we go. We got some light in this joint. So today, we about to finally get the red 2015, hopefully running and riding. I've been waiting to go to Harley so I could take the bike up there to get this alarm system figured out for that thing. I'm going to do that. I'm waiting on a call for the Road King that we dropped off to the dyno to see how that's coming along. And then we're going to go to Harley to grab some cans for this later in the day. So stay tuned. We're about to have all this coming along. I need to kind of move this car back up out of the garage so we can get to this 2015 Road Glide up over here. Like I was telling y'all on the live, man, I was originally selling this bike, and then I was like, you know what? I can give it away up next. So before we even give it away, we about to bust it down. So this thing could be on the way in no time. We don't have no frame damage, nothing like that. It had a little bit of front end damage with the legs. So we are about to strip this thing down maybe today, y'all. So stay tuned for that, man. We got to get this frame up off of there, get this motor off, and this thing is about to look better than it ever been. So that's what I'm hyped up about. We still got that Road Glide up over there too. We're going to get some work on that thing, but y'all see what's coming first, man. I cannot wait. We got some bars on deck. I'm about to have the bars on the website for anybody who want to support and cop some of those. A lot of stuff I'm gonna have on the website, man. So I appreciate everybody for all the support, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we done came a long way, and we're still not where we want to be, but I know for a fact we are growing and evolving every day, man. So that's what it's about. We got to keep everything going and flowing, making everything happen the way we've been doing it, and start it off so everything keep being efficient and working on our best favor. So that's why I keep putting our best foot forward and working, man, because I'm telling you, we giving away in real life. We got the Silver Bullet truck paired together with the 2019 Road Glide. That could be yours, man. So understand that this thing right here could be yours. We got this thing juiced up, looking good, man. It's super iced up right now, but it's all good. We about to be giving this truck away, y'all, with the Road Glide. The only thing is, man, I'm telling you, you got to take care of it. That's all I ask. We're going to have this thing with the Road Glide paired together, but except this thing is going to look a lot much better than it used to be. And that's why I cannot wait, because we've been working so hard trying to get all this going, and it's finally time. So we got to make it happen, man. We're about to get it in today and clean up the garage. So let's get to it, y'all. Make sure y'all enter to win into this Silver Bullet. We got the truck outside with the Harley right here. It's coming together. We about to get some more work in, disassemble some more parts off the bike today to get some more things powder coated to the powder coat shop. We got the old motor. We're taking those parts off and putting a little bit more with the parts on the floor. So like I said, get into it today for $25. We're trying to go live today this Saturday, but the good thing about it, we still got faith this Saturday. So stay tuned for that, man. I cannot wait. We about to have this thing coming along in no time. So all you got to do is go in the description below, grab you a sliding keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, a sliding, a HIDN keychain, or a red Kicks by Dre hat. Any of those 4 products is going to enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. So just know we are there. But yeah, let's get to it, because this cold as hell. super irritating having all this bike stuff with stuff everywhere. And the person that I am, anybody that really know me know, I have to stay switching stuff around to keep me turned on, because I cannot leave everything in one place and begin to get cluttered everywhere. That's why y'all know y'all stay seeing me move everything around in this garage, because that's what helped me keep going. So we're about to get some work on all of this stuff. I have to just clean up, organize, get everything going. I still got to fix the blue truck. That thing is still broken down. So we're about to go ahead and fix the work truck, man. We got to fix the water pump on the work truck over there. Like I said before, I had dropped off the Road King to the dyno shop, and the dyno shop just called me too. They said they about to be doing a dyno real soon. So I got my fingers crossed, hope everything go well. But we're about to get this water pump fixed on that truck, because I need that thing running and driving. I don't wait till tomorrow and then it start raining. Then it'll be way worse. So we're about to try to knock it out, get it done today, and go from there, man. Because I know we need the Copart work truck, man. All these cars is getting used in some way, somewhere to keep the business going. So that's the whole thing about that, man. We need everything working and going, not just sitting around wasting time getting pushed. So that's why we got an urge on this, because we're already pushing these Camaros and all that. I don't want to be sitting here pushing a work truck. So we got to keep it going. So stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding, y'all. The work truck. So, like I said, we had just changed the belt tensioner on here, and I thought it was leaking, but I'm like, nah. Now we got this stuff all up here, everywhere. We got this antifreeze all over the motor. I don't know if y'all can really get up in there and see all that brownish. This is a brand new tensioner we put. Then on top of that, I had the wrong belt I brought. I still have brand new inside the truck I have to take back. Then y'all see the puddle we got on the floor. And I just got that thing antifreeze, man. But it's all good, y'all. We're about to pop the belt off, pop these 6 screws off the water pump, disconnect that clamp hose right there for the water, take this intake off, get this out the way, and then go from there. We got to get the water pump gaskets in, get some extra antifreeze. So this thing is not overheating, but we done way bigger things, man. So this is nothing, y'all. Stay tuned. We're about to get this thing taken apart. So as soon as I got the top of the intake piece off of here, I took the hose off that connects right here to the top. As soon as I took that hose off, before I even took it off, you can see the wetness under it. So now it makes a lot of sense, because my whole thing is I just put this brand new thermostat. So if this water pump was bad and the water pump was leaking, it's only 2 seals. It's a seal behind here and behind over there. If that was the problem, how could this water back there shoot all the way in front of the water pump and all over this? So that's why I know for a fact it's that hose, and it was shooting from the bottom. That's why the pressure shot here, there, all over here, just hot, and then on top of the roof. Yes, I'm good. So now we about to take the hose up to the store, get a brand new hose. We're gonna leave the water pump, get a brand new hose and 2 clamps. So stay tuned for that, and then we got to swap it out for the right belt. So we're gonna go ahead and wait on that and get it going, man. So we got the old one, we got the new belt, and we got the old belt. So we about to swap them out and then get right back to it, y'all. And all the way to O'Reilly's, they still don't have a belt. Pissed me off. Luckily we got an extra water hook clamp or water hose. So we about to try to get this going. Hoping for the best, y'all. Really hoping for the best, man. So we finally got the new hose up on there. Not much better. Gotta put this intake back. I I really want to change our water pump, but that's not the problem. We will get to that later because I definitely got a few other water pumps to buy. So let's get this thing running, y'all. So we done finally got it, y'all. We got everything on here complete. I got the intake on there. I got the hose nice and tight. Everything should be super tight. Yep, so hoping for the best. We're about to make sure we got enough of this antifreeze up in here. It is a little bit empty. We got a fresh bottle though. So I'm glad I kept it. So we can always stay prepared, man. My dad taught me that, y'all. Always stay prepared. I'm not gonna lie to you, I done got probably damn near everything in here from my dad. I know this jack came from my dad, that air compressor came from my dad, and that portable light. But that's why I love my pops, man. Pops always been helping me out, man. Moms too. Support the vision. That's why I support mine, man. You gotta recycle the energy that you received and keep it going. So let's make sure we don't get too much. All right, there we go, there we go, there we go. That's what I don't like. Damn lid. All right, let's try it again now. There we go. Yes, sir. Got that orange juice. That orange juice. Yeah, we got that orange juice. So once you fill this up and you use this, we fill this up with water, keep some additional fluid. Man, this stuff is crazy. I thought I was done. I thought the truck was good. It turns out the water is back rotating. So it turns out the water is dropping from behind the water pump onto the harmonic balancer. And while the truck is running, it's spinning and causing it to shoot everywhere. So we still got to go back to O'Reilly and get a new water pump and swap everything out. But we're going to go ahead and wait till tomorrow, man. I've been having a long day all day. I'm ready to relax and sit down. It's Saturday. I shouldn't even be doing nothing, but stay tuned, man. We're going to have it coming to y'all live in the channel real soon, man. We've been working all day. I am whooped. So I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man.